You're in trouble.
Why? What did I do?
A chubby found something that's yours.
Huh?
Show chat.
Ew! What the
That's
fuck?
yours. It's literally yours.
That's mine? I'm sorry, I didn't know it was in there.
Then why'd you buy it? Why don't you show chat your show and tell?
Ew, bro. Ew.
Show chat.
No, I don't want to touch it. Ew!
You see it, chat? It's fungus.
Are you sure that's mine?
Yeah.
I don't remember buying that, which means if I did buy it, it's been
This
there
is
for a
not
long
even like.
time.
I don't even know how. It looks like it's evaporated. You see it? Can they see it? This is not. Why are you saying ew me? This is hers. She's been addicted to playing Overwatch and not paying attention to her food. Should I keep holding it here?
No, dude. Throw it away.
You want it?
No, stop.
Chat, you want it? Yes? Here.
Just throw it away.
They said they want it. Here. Take it. Slap it on the screen. I've never seen moldy cheese like this. This is the most disgusting thing in the world.
Yeah, that's gross.
This is gross. Leave Emmy alone and throw it away. Okay, I'll stay here and I won't throw it away. I got you, dude.
Dude, just throw it away. It's so gross.
I'll do the exact opposite. I'll stay here and I'll just keep it right in your face so you have to stare at it the whole time.
Let's run them over.
What, are you winning?
Yeah.
Are you actually good?
No.
Why do you look like you're in distress?
'Cause you're stressing me out.
Cooperative behavior.